everyone! Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your business with a solid digital marketing strategy? Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or an entrepreneur, today we're diving into why a comprehensive digital marketing strategy is essential for your success. Stick around, because I'm about to reveal the secrets to boosting your online presence and driving measurable results. Did you know that 79% of consumers conduct online research before making a purchase? In today's digital landscape, having a well-defined digital marketing strategy can make your business stand out and connect with your target audience. By leveraging digital channels effectively, you can significantly enhance your visibility and drive conversions. Let's explore how a strategic approach can help you generate more revenue and build lasting relationships with your customers. 1. Clear goals and objectives. First up, a digital marketing strategy provides clarity on your goals and objectives. By defining what you want to achieve, whether it's increasing brand awareness, generating leads, or boosting sales, you create a roadmap that guides all your marketing efforts, ensuring every action aligns with your overarching business goals. 2. Target audience identification. A well-crafted strategy allows you to identify and understand your target audience. By researching demographics, preferences, and behaviors, you can create tailored marketing messages that resonate with your audience, leading to higher engagement and conversion rates. 3. Improved online visibility. Having a digital marketing strategy enhances your online visibility. With tactics like search engine optimization, SEO, and content marketing, you can ensure your business appears in relevant search results, making it easier for potential customers to find you and learn about your offerings. 4. Cost-effective marketing. Digital marketing is often more cost-effective than traditional marketing methods. With tools like social media advertising and email marketing, you can reach a larger audience without breaking the bank, ensuring that your marketing budget is utilized efficiently. 5. Measurable results. One of the greatest advantages of digital marketing is the ability to measure results in real time. By analyzing metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, and social media engagement, you can assess the effectiveness of your strategies and make data-driven decisions to optimize your campaigns. 6. Enhanced customer engagement. A digital marketing strategy fosters better customer engagement. By utilizing channels like social media and email, you can interact with your audience in real time, addressing their needs, answering questions, and building a community around your brand. 7. Adaptability to market trends. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and a solid strategy allows you to adapt to market trends and changes. By staying informed about industry developments, you can pivot your marketing efforts to stay relevant and competitive. 8. Brand authority and trust. Establishing a strong digital presence helps build brand authority and trust. By consistently delivering valuable content and engaging with your audience, you position your business as a thought leader in your industry, increasing customer loyalty and repeat business. 9. Integration across channels. A comprehensive digital marketing strategy enables you to integrate your marketing efforts across various channels. Whether it's social media, email, or your website, a cohesive strategy ensures your messaging is consistent, enhancing your overall brand identity. 10. Long-term growth potential. Finally, investing in a digital marketing strategy fosters long-term growth potential. By continually optimizing your efforts and engaging with your audience, you create a sustainable model that drives consistent revenue growth and strengthens your market position. Are you ready to embrace the power of a digital marketing strategy for your business? Having a clear plan in place can elevate your online presence and maximize your success potential. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share your favorite digital marketing tip in the comments, and subscribe for more insights.